Hi everyone, my name is Sonia, Developer Program Engineer at Shardeum, and today in this video we are going to learn how to fork and clone a GitHub repository. But before that, let's understand the meaning of forking and cloning. Forking a repository means creating a personal copy of someone else's project on your GitHub account. Your own copy means that you will be able to contribute changes to your copy of the repository without affecting the original one. You can then propose changes in the original repository by submitting a pull request. Now, on the other hand, cloning a repository means creating a local copy of a repository on your machine. This allows you to work on the project locally and push your changes back to the remote repository. For this video, we will be cloning the Shardeum repository. As you can see in the top right corner, we have a button called fork. Let's click on it. This is going to create a copy of the repository under your GitHub account. Now let's go back to our terminal and close this repository. Let's do git clone. Change directory to Shardeum. Now we are going to set the upstream repository. For that, first of all, let's do git remote -v. So as you can see, origin is pointing to the forked repository. Now we are going to add the original repository as the upstream remote. This basically allows you to keep your fork updated with the latest changes from the original repository. For that, let's do git remote add upstream and the original repository link. So let's verify if it's added or not. For that, let's do git remote -v. So as you can see, we have the origin as well as the upstream repository. So that's it. Now you have successfully forked and cloned a GitHub repository. Now you can make changes locally, and if you want, you can contribute back to the original project by submitting pull requests. If you run into any issues, I have added GitHub and Discord details onto our description. Feel free to ask any questions you have, and thank you for watching.